When people complain about being kept awake, they'll usually tell you that the dog was barking next door and driving them crazy. There was a light coming in through the curtains or under the door that just was preventing them sleep. It's often outside influences or distractions that's really stopping you from sleeping. It's a really nice idea to use your own senses as a way of self-soothing you to sleep and just making it to help you feel more relaxed and safe and cozy in bed. I like to put something fluffy or silky next to my pillow so I can just stroke it. If I'm just feeling anxious or worried about anything, I just find it comforting. Another thing I'll do is, if it's really noisy and the dog is barking, create your own little noise to distract you. So scratch your pillow or focus on your breathing, kind of really deep, regular breathing, and focus on your own noise rather than those outside noises. So I find my sense of smell really brings me back to happier times and lovely memories, and I really like using essential oils like lavender and peppermint if I'm a bit stuffed up, or bergamot, a lovely summery smell. Lavender oil is a classic. They can really help create a sort of a restful atmosphere, and they smell good too. Now, all of these things can take a little bit of practice, and if your thoughts are whirring around, particularly when it's the same negative thought on a loop, things like flower remedies can be really useful. They don't work physically, they work on the emotions. And this one, Llandovery Night Essence, has been formulated specifically for that kind of brain that's tense, overtired, kind of wound up. Llandovery